How to crop a video in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can crop a video in your Canva design. So as here you can see, I have this Canva design right here, and in order to demonstrate, let us add a video into this. So in order to add a stock video, I will click onto this elements tab over the left hand side, and once I'll do this, under the videos I can add any video. So for example, let's say this particular video right here, and here you can see this is the video that we need to crop. So in order to crop this video, first click onto this video and you will have access to all of the tools listed here. Now from this particular options, you can click onto this crop option right here, just over to the left hand side of the flip option. So simply click onto this crop option, and from here you can see this crop dialog box. So you have currently selected by default is the freedom option. So what does the freedom option mean is that you can crop it according to your wish. So if you want to crop it in freedom, then that means you need to click onto these corners, and using the corners you can freely crop any part of this video as you want. And if you want a specific ratio, then what you can do is simply click onto these arrows and explore the different ratios that are available. So for example, if you want a 1:1 cropping, you can use this one, or if you want a 9:16 or 16:9 cropping, you can use these two options. There are also various options for 5:4, 4:5, 4:3, 3:4, and so on. So for example, let's say if I want a 9:16 crop, so what I can do is simply click onto this 9:16, and here you can see that this particular part will be only available, whereas this one and this part will be deleted. So you can use this as well. And if you want to go for the freedom crop, you can click onto this freedom option, and then you can crop as you like. So you can drag these, and from here you can crop any part. So if I'll selected this, only this particular part will be present, and whereas the rest of it will be deleted. So now let us drop it exactly to the size of the tree. So what I can do is simply use this cropping tool and then crop only the tree, so that other things does not come. And once I have done this, I can simply click onto any other part, or I can also click onto this done button, and here you can see that our video has been successfully cropped from the sides and is of the exact dimension as we wanted. So that's how easily you can crop a video in your Canva design. So that's all for this tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it worked for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, do ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.